Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roomba C510 error. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the C510 error can hinder your Roomba from performing its cleaning task or emptying its bin as intended. So here are steps to address this issue. So first thing that you want to do here is to detach the vacuum bin. Now to begin, release the vacuum bin by pressing the bin release button located at the back of the robot. This will separate the bin from the robot, allowing you to examine if there are any issues. Now, second thing that you could do here is to inspect for debris or damage. So examine the bin and the sensor and the connection part for any debris or damages. If necessary, use a soft cloth to gently clean them, and sometimes dust or dirt can obstruct the sensor or connection port, leading to the false error. Also check for any cracks or dents on the bin that could affect its fit or functionality. Now, third thing that you want to do here is you want to reattach the vacuum bin. Now, slide the vacuum bin back into its slot on the robot until it securely clicks into place. Now, ensure it's firmly attached to the robot, thus reconnecting the bin to the robot and its sensor. You should hear a audible click after successfully attaching the bin, and give it a gentle wiggle to confirm it's not loose. Next thing you want to do is you want to connect the base station. Reconnect the vacuum to the base station. Now for step 5, restart the Roomba. Press the button on the top of the robot to initiate a restart. This action will clear the error code and allow the Roomba to resume its cleaning cycle. If the error has been resolved, you'll notice a green light on the robot's screen and you'll hear a voice confirming ready to clean. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.